Stop. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes for a second. I want you to imagine something. Imagine you are standing in a room full of people. They're all laughing, they're all talking, they're all sharing stories in English. You want to join them. You have the words in your head, you know the rules, you know subject plus verb plus object, but when you open your mouth, nothing. Your throat feels tight, your brain feels like a computer that just crashed. You are stuck. You are a prisoner of your own mind. Why? Because you're trying to build a house while reading a 500-page manual on how to hold a hammer. You are obsessed with grammar, and that is exactly why you cannot speak. Today, we change that. Today, we burn the grammar book. Today, we stop studying English and we start speaking English. I don't care if you only know 10 words. I don't care if you think your accent is bad. By the end of this video, you will have spoken more English than you have in the last month. We are going to use the Lego method. We are going to build fluency, not with rules, but with patterns. Are you ready? If you are ready to stop being a student and start being a speaker, type "I am a speaker" in the comments right now. Let's go. Look at this stick man. Let's call him Sam. Sam loves English. Sam has 5 grammar books. Sam knows the difference between the present perfect and the past simple, but look at Sam's face when someone asks him, "How's it going?" He freezes. He's thinking, is how's a contraction? Is going a gerund? By the time Sam finishes thinking, the person has already walked away. Sam is in the grammar cage. Every rule he learns is another bar on the cage. He thinks rules will make him perfect, but perfection is the enemy of fluency. Fluency is not about being right. Fluency is about being fast. It is about the connection between your brain and your tongue. Think about a child. Does a 5-year-old know what a prepositional phrase is? No. Can that child tell you they want a cookie or they're tired? Perfectly. They didn't learn rules, they learned chunks. They heard "I want" and they added a word. I want cookie. That is what we are doing today. We are going back to the beginning. Imagine English is made of Lego blocks. You don't need to manufacture the plastic, you just need to snap the blocks together. Our first block is "I'm gonna." Forget the grammar. Don't think about the future tense. Just feel the sound. Drill 1. I want you to say it out loud right now. I can't hear you, but the walls can. Repeat after me. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna work. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna speak. Faster. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna work. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna speak. Do you feel that? You didn't think about grammar once. You just snapped a verb onto the block. Now let's expand. I'm gonna try to. Repeat after me. I'm gonna try to help. I'm gonna try to learn. I'm gonna try to finish. This is fluency. It's the ability to pull a pre-made phrase from your brain and use it instantly. Why do you struggle? It's because of the middleman. When you want to say something, your brain does a long translation loop. Concept to native language, to grammar rule, to English word, to mouth. That process takes 3 seconds. In a conversation, that's an eternity. You need to fire the middleman. You need to go concept to English chunk to mouth. How do we do this? We stop translating words and start translating emotions. Our next block is I need to get. In English, get is a magic word. It means buy, arrive, or understand. Drill 2. I say coffee, you say I need to get coffee. Ready? Water. I need to get water. A job. I need to get a job. Home. I need to get home. It. I need to get it. Boom! You're building sentences. You are a builder. You are not a student anymore. You are a creator. Listen closely. 80% of English conversations use only 20% of the grammar rules. You're spending 100% of your time studying the 80% you never use. Stop it. You don't need the future perfect continuous to order a pizza. You need I'd like, can I have, and where is. If you focus on these high-frequency chunks, you will feel 10 times more confident. To sound natural, you need fillers. Fillers give your brain time to think. My favorite beginner filler is to be honest. Let's combine it. To be honest, I'm gonna eat. Mini dialogue 1. Person A, do you want to go out tonight? Person B, to be honest, I need to sleep. Repeat that with me. To be honest, I need to sleep. The whole thing. Look at you. You sound like a native. You sound relaxed. Why? Because you're not fighting the grammar, you're riding the wave. Now we are going to increase the speed. Fluency is muscle memory. Your tongue is a muscle. If you don't train it, it gets lazy. Drill 3. Phrase, I don't know what to do. Slow, I don't know what to do. Medium, I don't know what to do. Fast, I don't know what to do. Native speed, I don't know what to do. Repeat after me 5 times, getting faster each time. If your tongue feels tired, good. That means you are working out. You are becoming an athlete of language. I want to tell you a secret. Native speakers make grammar mistakes all the time. We say, me and him went instead of he and I went. We say, I should have went instead of I should have gone. And guess what? Nobody cares. The goal of language is communication. If I say, me hungry, eat now, do you understand? Yes, mission accomplished. Don't wait until your English is perfect to start speaking. Start messy, start loud, start now. Block 4, the have you question engine. Drill 4, I will show you an image, you ask the question. A movie, have you seen a movie? My keys, have you seen my keys? The news, have you seen the news? Now, let's make it a beginner pro move. Add lately at the end. Have you seen any good movies lately? Have you seen my friend lately? Repeat after me. Have you seen? Have you seen any good movies lately? I am giving you a homework assignment. For the next 7 days, I want you to talk to the mirror for 2 minutes. No books, no Google Translate. Just use the blocks we learned today. I'm gonna work today. To be honest, I need to get coffee. Have you seen my coffee? I don't know what to do. It doesn't have to make sense, it just has to be vocal. You are training your brain to recognize that English comes out of your mouth, not just into your ears. You are watching this video. You are understanding what I'm saying. That means you already have the foundation. You aren't bad at English, you are just out of practice at speaking. Think of English like a bicycle. You can read a book about bicycles for 10 years. You can study the physics of the wheels and the chemistry of the rubber. But the moment you get on the bike, you will fall down. Why? Because riding is a physical skill, not a mental one. Speaking English is a physical skill. This is a bit harder, but you can do it. Block, I want you to. Repeat after me. 1. I want you to listen. 2. I want you to stay. 3. I want you to tell me. Now let's add an emotion. I really want you to stay. Mini dialogue. Person A, I have to go home now. Person B, but I really want you to stay. Person A, to be honest, I'm gonna sleep. Repeat both parts. Part A, I have to go home now. Part B, but I really want you to stay. You are acting now. You are using English to express a feeling. This is the identity transformation. You aren't translating, you are living in the language. I am telling you to stop studying. If you spend 2 hours a day reading a grammar book, you are wasting 90 minutes. Spend 10 minutes reading, spend 50 minutes speaking. Speak to your dog, speak to your plants, speak to the shower. When you speak, your brain creates neural pathways. Every time you say, I'm gonna, that pathway gets stronger. Eventually, it becomes an automatic reflex, like breathing. Look at our stick man Sam again. Sam decided to follow this method. He put away the grammar books, he started using blocks. Is his English perfect? No. Does he make mistakes? Yes. But look at him now. He's at the party. Someone asks, what are you doing this weekend? Sam doesn't freeze, he doesn't think about the future continuous, he just grabs a block. I'm gonna visit my mom. To be honest, I need to get some rest. The other person smiles. They understand. They keep talking. Sam is part of the world. Sam is free. You are Sam. You have the power. The cage is open. All you have to do is step out. Let's review the blocks we built today. 1. I'm gonna, future intentions. 2. I need to get, needs and movements. 3. To be honest, the natural filler. 4. I don't know what to do, the speed ramp. 5. Have you seen, the question engine. 6. I want you to, expressing desires. I want you to combine 2 blocks into 1 sentence. I'll give you an example. To be honest, I'm gonna get some water. Now you try. Combine to be honest with I need to get a job. To be honest, I need to get a job. Combine I don't know what to do with I want you to help me. I don't know what to do. I want you to help me. You are doing it. You are speaking. English is not a subject in school. It is not a test. It is not a grade. English is a key. It is a key that opens doors to new jobs, new friends, new cultures, and a new life. Don't let a grammar rule stand in your way. Be brave, be loud, make mistakes. If you found this helpful, I want you to do 3 things. 1. Subscribe to this channel. We don't do boring here, we do results. 2. Hit the like button so other grammar prisoners can find this video. And 3. Leave a comment using one of the blocks we learned today. Tell me, I'm gonna plus your goal. Example, I'm gonna speak English every day. I believe in you. Your brain is a fluency machine. You just had to turn it on. I'll see you in the next video. Keep speaking.